Hi there, welcome to this weekly news update from the Indian manufacturing sector. My name is Anand and I am your lean manufacturing coach, and today I will be consolidating some of the interesting updates from the world of manufacturing in India, and this is for week number 16 of 2021. Let us start with some interesting updates from automotive sector. Automotive companies, they suffered about 20% decline in their orders in the month of April. This is primarily due to a lot of lockdown initiatives by the various state governments in India. If you look at Maharashtra, Karnataka, even in Tamil Nadu, there are a lot of lockdowns which are happening, and this particular impact has resulted in about 20% decline in the overall bookings. Yeah, and several automobile dealers, they say that the fresh bookings and walk-ins have reduced by more than 20%. There is no sale in Maharashtra, which accounts for more than 10% of all the automobiles in our country, and this is due to the partial shutdown till the month end. So this particular impact we have to see, even in the month of May, it may be there because of the rise in COVID cases and due to the second wave. This particular lockdown also forced many auto companies in Maharashtra to half their capacity. Now, most of the companies, they're running the plant at 50 to 60% of the normal output. This could be a potential revenue loss of about 100 to 120 crores per day. And Maharashtra, if you look at, they account for about 20 to 25% of the total vehicle production capacity in India. Mahindra and Mahindra, they are India's largest tractor manufacturer, and they are planning to put up additional units because the current units are already at 100% efficiency or in the capacity utilization. So they are looking at a land in and around Punjab area. This new plant would have an additional capacity of about 50,000 tractors per year. Due to the semiconductor chip shortage, JLR is planning to suspend production line for a week. If you remember this particular news, we have covered like 2-3 weeks ago also. There is a global shortage for semiconductors, and that has forced a lot of automobile manufacturers to halt their production. And JLR is also planning to have a shutdown or a partial shutdown in their plant in UK. This is in Castle Bromwich and Halewood manufacturing plants. Electric car maker Tesla has zeroed on land in Mumbai's Lower Parel Worli area. The Board of Indian Operations has Senior Director David John Feinstein, Chief Accounting Officer Vaibhav Taneja, and also Bangalore-based entrepreneur Venkatrangam Sriram. They are all part of the senior team. Next, let us look at some of the auto ancillaries. So, ACMA and SIAM, they are planning to collaborate, and they are working closely to enhance deep localization of auto component sector, which will further increase the price competitiveness of our automobiles in the global market. Mr. Jain, the president of ACMA, he said a huge outlay of about 57,000 crore has been made for the entire automotive industry. So all these measures will augur well for the automotive components in the future. Next, let us look at some news from the electronics segment. Apple beats Samsung for the second spot in tablets. Now, Apple has overtaken Samsung to capture the second rank in India's tablet market with 29% market share in January-March quarter of 2021. This is primarily due to a lot of demand from the work from home categories. The growth of iPad, if you look at it, is about 144% compared to the Q1 of the previous year. Godrej Appliances, they are planning to increase the indigenization or localization of components. For example, if you look at the product like air conditioners, the indigenization will go up to 75% in the next 3 years. The company is also planning to tap the PLI scheme, Production Linked Incentive Scheme. Year on year, their sales have increased by about 15%. This year also, in AC segment, they are looking at 15 to 20% improvement in growth. Samsung has started the mobile display unit in Noida, and this particular move would expand the contribution of locally sourced component for the South Korean manufacturer, and it increases the domestic value addition. Now, the company has started the production from April, and currently it makes mobile display panels for most of their models in India. India as an electronic repair hub can create about $20 billion in revenue, and it can create more than 5 million jobs. Already there is a lot of push towards this electronic manufacturing, and if we also include electronic repairs as a big hub, it will become the next sunshine sector for India. These are all some of the interesting updates from the world of manufacturing in the week of 16. If you like this particular video, please hit the subscribe button, and also you can click the bell icon so that whenever we post a new video, you will be able to watch it without missing it. So thank you very much. I will talk to you guys in the next week. See you. Bye.